In this lesson, we will focus on printing a document in Microsoft Word. The File tab allows access to print options for a document. To access the print options, click on the File tab and then scroll down to Print Options. The Print Options tab allows users to view print previews of the pages or the entire document you wish to print. The print option controls how a document is printed. Using the print option, one can print several copies of the same document and collate the copies. Let's now access print options. Click on File, scroll down to Print, click on Print, and this brings up your print options for this document, which is 7 colors of a rainbow. You will notice on your left-hand side is a print preview of your document. At the bottom, on the left-hand side again, in the print preview pane, you will notice a scroll bar that allows you to move from one page to the next to view the print preview of the entire document if you have more than one page. In this case, I only really have one page. At the bottom right, you will notice the zoom slider. Slide the bar towards the plus sign to increase the zoom. Slide the bar towards the minus sign to decrease the zoom. Let's take a look now at the print settings. At the top, click on the print button to begin printing your document. You could choose the number of copies in the copies box. Click on the arrow facing upwards to increase the number of copies. Click on the arrow facing downwards to decrease the number of copies that you would like to print. In the printer field, click on the drop-down to select the relevant printer that you would like to print to. Under printer settings, you can print all pages of the document. Click on the drop-down to access other alternatives for printing. You can choose to print only the current page, which is the page that is being displayed on the print preview. You could choose custom print. Type the specific pages or sections or ranges that you would like to print. You can also find out more about the document under document info, the list of markup, the styles used, auto text entries, and key assignments. And that is for your custom shortcut keys. Under pages, you could type in the pages you would like to print. It does not have to be the entire document. These are just random page numbers that you would like to print. You can choose to print a document either one-sided or print on both sides. Collated and uncollated. You could choose to print your document collated, meaning if the document has more than one page, it will print one set at a time. Uncollated basically means that it will print all the page ones, all the page twos, all the page threes, etc. And you will then have to put them together into a little booklet. You could change your layout from portrait to landscape under print settings. You could choose the paper size under print settings. Make changes to the margins in print settings. Remember that this can also be done on the page layout tab on your document. Choose the number of pages per sheet. So you could actually print more than one page on one sheet of paper. This can be done when you basically just want to review a document or read a document, and you could save paper in this way. You can go up to 16 pages per sheet, provided that it is something that you can actually read. You can access page setup from the print settings. So click on page setup, and now you could make changes to the margins, the orientation. You could choose the paper size and make changes there, as well as the layout. Remember, once again, this page setup can be accessed from the page layout tab on the ribbon. That covers the print settings for your document. Once you have made changes to the settings, you can click on the print button to print your document.